So, good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss natural and technological environment. Hope you are finding the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will start with the uh, natural environment.
Yes, sir.
What is natural environment? First, we will start with the natural environment. Sorry. As you know, in business and economic pursuit of man continues to be dedicated or dictated by nature. The natural environment includes geographical and ecological factors that influence the business operations. These factors include the availability of natural resources, weather and climate condition, location aspect, topographical factors, etc. Business is greatly influenced by the nature of natural environment. For example, sugar factories are set up only at those places where sugar cane can be grown. It is always considered better to establish manufacturing unit near the sources of input. Further, government's policies to maintain ecological balance, conservation of natural resources, etc., are put additional responsibility on the business sector. Now, natural resources. Natural resources include land, water resources, fisheries, mineral resources, forest, marine resources, climate, rainfall, and topography. But nature possesses more in its bosom, and in order to discover what it hides, man is required to develop techniques of knowing the undiscovered resources. When we talk about the natural resource of a country, we have obviously in mind the extent of the known or discovered natural resource with their present uses. With the growth of the knowledge about the known resources and their use, the natural endowment of a country will be materially altered. Another consideration regarding the nature of natural resources is that some resources, for example, land, water, fisheries, and forests, are renewable, and there are other like minerals and mineral oils which are exhaustible and can be used only once. Consequently, careful use of the exhaustible resources and maintenance of the quality of renewable resources like land are a sine qua non in the process of development. Now, coming on the uh, technological environment, some participants had just joined. Uh, Let us admit them in the class. Now, coming on the technological environment. In the last few decades, technology has made great strides. It has affected every aspect of our lives, from how we shop to how we travel to how we communicate. Technology has also greatly affected business around the world. Let us take a look at the impact of technological environment on a firm. In this way, technological environment refers to the state of science and technology in the country and related aspects such as rate of technological progress, institutional arrangements for development and application of new technology, etc. Uh, According to the well-known economist J.K. Galbraith, Technology means systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to practical tasks. Technology comprises of both machines, means hard technology, and scientific thinking, means soft technology, which you know as a software, etc. Please close your mics. Who have not closed their mics, mute their mics, please. Used to solve problem and technology used to solve problems and promote progress. It consists of not only knowledge and methods required to carry on and improve production and distribution of goods and services, but also entrepreneurial expertise and professional know. Technology includes innovation and innovations. Inventions and innovations, there are two aspects which technology has effect. There are some features of technology which we will discuss in this slide. Technological environment is a component of macro or indirect action environment. We have already discussed the macro and micro environment in unit first. Therefore, we are not going to in detail here. Technological environment changes very fast. As you are seeing in present scenario, the technology of one day cannot be the same in the technology another day. There are daily changes in the technology. So technology is changing in each and every day with the requirement of the circumstances, society, and the need of the economy. Technological environment affects the manner in which the resources of the economy are converted into output, as I have told you just now. Technological environment is itself reinforcing. An invention in one place leads to a sequence of invention in other places. You can take the example of current scenario which is affected by the coronavirus. One country is uh, searching behind the antidote of the coronavirus, and others are keenly looking after for getting that technology to check the coronavirus and to get the antidote of uh, that virus. So the technology has the great effect on our business and on our mind. Factors of technological environment. There are four factors of technological environment. One is pull of technological change. Other is opportunities from new inventions. As you can see, the new inventions are taking place to check the coronavirus each and every day. Maybe some are going to fail, maybe some are going to uh, have the best result, but the technological change are taking daily and daily by the need and requirement of the society. Risk of technological environment, you can see due to effect on the coronavirus, effect of the coronavirus, there is a also risk of online frauds in while doing the online transactions or while doing the online business. There is more possibility of this risk. Role of research and development, this is the new, there is there the every scientist and every field has got the an opportunity to get the new things and new developments in this in their fields due to this circumstances, this pandemic. Now we are coming one by one on the pull of the technological change. Technological change generally refers to the advancement in the production and manufacturing process of different goods and services. So it is when we improve the way products are made or services are delivered. In these times, there is always a new invention or better technology around the corner. This technological change brings both opportunities and threats to a business. I have just told you, one side there is a threat of life due to coronavirus, but there is another side of business which is an opportunity for the uh, uh, telecom sector, for the medicine sector, health services, and online business. There is always the advantage of assessing the technological environment and embracing the new technology. This can make your product better, bring down cost, ease out the competition, increase production capacity, etc. But at the same time, such changes, if not adopted by the business, can make them obsolete and out of fashion very quickly. In this pandemic situation, if anyone is not going to change their pattern of life or business, certainly he will be affected and he is going to be in the loss in the future. Therefore, this pandemic situation has changed the life of everyone and have changed the pattern of business in the whole world. Opportunity from new innovations. There are so many concepts, products, services, etc. that have been unexplored in the market. The advancement in technology means that there is the possibility of new invention every single day. As you are saying, you have never thought of that we will one day we will be having the class on this we will be having the this type of class, online class, we have never thought of. But the situation, this pandemic situation has bounded us to take adopt this technology, and we are now on this platform. Now firms have to be alert about their technological environment to small out a great opportunity. If the firm can capitalize on a new invention or product, it can become a pioneer in the industry. For example, see the boom in the smartwatch and fitness tracker market. It all started back in 1998, but new products enter the market every year, and to capture this market, a firm has to be aware of its technological environment. You can take the example of Nokia. Now Nokia has once Nokia was pioneer in the market, but now Nokia has become obsolete in the market because of failure to change according to the need and requirement of the business. So the need of change in the market is very necessary. Risk of technological environment, I have already discussed in the initial part of this slide, that there is always a risk, as we are talking on the Zoom class, but every day we are getting a news that there is a risk of adopting this Zoom class technology. So there is always a risk. There are always another factor of technology which can affect our business or which can affect our life. But there is always a positive and negative aspect of every technology which we have to take care of in our life. The role of research and development. I have already told you that any pandemic or any situation or any bad situation has a positive aspect also. Every problem has an gives an opportunity to get new things and to get new possibilities to solve the problem. So don't take it as a problem, but take it an opportunity to have the research and development in the business. So the role of research and development is very important in the technological change. So technology and business are very interdependent. The benefits of all the research and development a country does reaches the public via the business. These findings and developments improve our quality and life and uplift the economy and society. Now, matters to be considered while assessing the technological environment. What production technology and information technology does the company employ? How important is each technology to the firm? It is very important. Someone is using the any platform. Suppose we are using the platform of Zoom, whether it is benefited for the firm or it is not benefited for the firm. Every firm has to analyze the threats and opportunity of that technology, and then it should adopt. Is there an external technology that company depends on? What is the reliability of such technology? What the has business the extent of investment in technology? If the to adopt the technology, if there is a heavy investment and the profit is very less, then it would not be very suitable to adopt that technology. So to adopt the technology, it is always necessary to have a cost benefit analysis while adopting the technology. Is the investment in the design or the implementation or the maintenance? How much have other competitors in the same industry invested in their technology? This will affect the pricing of the technology. If you will analyze the cost incurred by other, then you can have a competitive price in the market. Therefore, this line is very important. Which technological investment should be withdrawn or limited? What are the additional technological requirements to meet with the goals and vision of the company, both in the short and in the long run? Then this was the lecture of the today. We will discuss the next time the next topic. So to stop here,